My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to effectively remove the ransomware called Tcvjuo. Tcvjuo. This video is of course only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files, and we'll give you some recommendations on how to protect your files. Now, before the ransomware attack, you're able to open the files without any troubles. So pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, all that can be opened easily without complications. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this Tcvjuo ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer, and then very soon users realize the damage that has been caused by this particular ransomware. This ransomware is called like that, Tcvjuo, because it encrypts files and appends a special extension to the file names. You may trace this ransomware through the task manager of your computer. Most likely you will find some suspicious processes with the long and random name. So obviously, if you see such processes with long and random names like that, it could be the evidence of certain malicious file being active on your system. And by the way, a good recommendation is that you right click on that process and terminate it or end its task. This could help you prevent the ransomware encryption ahead of time, but very often it is too late and the ransomware may fulfill its malicious job. So the ransomware reveals this ransom note indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. Don't pay the ransom. What I recommend you to do is to immediately remove this ransomware. I recommend that you use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. But to download it, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be modified by this ransomware. So, through Internet Explorer, go to the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com, download the application, install the software, and once it gets successfully installed, start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. And then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration, of course, depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on other factors too. So please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware, it helps to protect the data, but it does not decrypt files. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to actually decrypt the files so easily. Now, at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I recommend that you choose premium license which will help you to always protect your data from further ransomware attacks. And you can always request for the trial, for a fully free trial. So please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to recover your data.